Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my prom offering. These are 3 shoes that I've made. The descriptions are listed in the comment section. 3 totally different ideas that I think could work for prom. So I'm going to go through each one and just give you a brief overview of the cost. Let's get started. This first shoe is a nude shoe with lace overlays. So I just put appliques on it and I added some Swarovski crystals. This shoe could be super inexpensive, especially if you already own a pair of shoes that you're going to decorate. I paid right around $12.50 for the lace applique fabric. And then I also made this little clutch and it zips. It's an asymmetrical clutch and I just used some of the leftover fabric to make it. And I didn't have to buy any extra fabric to make this clutch. If you want to make either one of these shoes, they're listed in the comments. I think this is perfect if you're making your own dress and you want to have like that extra dimension of shoes that match. But this is also a really good idea if you have a plainer dress but you want your shoes to pop. So this is my first selection for prom. This is another look at the shoe. This is my second selection, and these shoes are shoes that I actually made for myself for more of an everyday look. But if you have like a black dress or a pink dress or a dress that's uniform in color, you could really set your whole look off if you have a pair of shoes that's the same color and then you just add the crystals in the same color as the dress and the shoes, because it just adds an extra dimension. These are really pretty and I love them. I think that they're understated and overstated at the same time. They're easy to make, but the crystals are on the expensive side. These are a size 8 and I used just about I'd say 10 gross of crystals, maybe a little bit more per shoe. So to make these and just do the heel and the platform, depending on the size of your shoe, you're probably going to spend anywhere from $80 to $100. This is another look at the shoe. This is my final shoe in my prom selection, and these are less expensive than the ones that I just showed, but they take a lot more time. These are fully beaded and they have Swarovski crystal accents. I think this is perfect for somebody who just wants to be super blinged out and super sparkly for their prom. If you can find the beads that match your dress perfectly, or if you have a dress and you want to do a contrasting color, this is the shoe for you. This doesn't take super long to make, but you probably want to give yourself a week to 2 weeks if you need to order the crystals and the beads. And I have the video on how I made this shoe also in the comments. This is another look at the shoe. This is a final overview. Thank you so much for watching. And if you saw anything that you liked in this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you again and have a great day.